Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's actually been a minute since I posted a video about my apartment. I've just been a little busy catching up with work and my personal life, so I haven't really posted a YouTube video, well, specifically for like apartment updates, so like the things I do in my apartment. But for today's video, it's gonna be a little shorter than usual. You probably already know what it is because of the intro and the caption, but today's we're gonna be changing up the whole entire gallery wall art. We're gonna take everything down and replace it with tapestry that my friend makes. Like, look how cool this chair tapestry looks, because look at that, there's the actual chair and this is the crochet tapestry. We also have a little checkered Gigi, or my cat that looks like this one, Gigi from Kiki Delivery. And I also have a Yoshito Monada. Since this one already have a wooden dowel on it, I'm not gonna be using anything to hang it, just like a little simple nail. But for this one, it doesn't have one, so I got this red frame, and I also bought this red poster from Dollar Tree, and I put it in here. I feel like that would be really pretty. I also have this tapestry that she made for my birthday a long time ago. It's the New Jeans one, and we're gonna move that one over there also. And for the rest of this, I'm thinking of putting it up there. A little sneak peek, but I'm working on my cosplay right now for my first anime con ever, and I'm going as Scaramouche from Genshin Impact. It's actually 5 right now, so I'm only gonna be changing up this wall and not do the other wall because it's gonna get dark really soon. So I'm gonna film that part tomorrow instead. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're gonna have to take everything down and fill the hole with spackles and paint it back to the same color. Then I can install the new art, but that's the first step. Everything is off the wall except for the mirror, and I think that bread lamp is still on there. And now we're gonna be covering up the hole with spackle, and then we are going to paint the wall. So maybe let it dry for like 30 to an hour. But to hang it up, I'm not gonna be using any nails because it's tapestry. It's gonna be really light, so I'm just gonna be using push pins. I feel like that will be the easiest, and also I don't have to drill any holes into the wall. And I may or may not put up some old decor up on there if it matches with the style, because I wanted to like fill the wall like pretty full, but we'll see. It's gonna look really bad right now, but once it's dry, I'm gonna sand it down to make it smooth. So don't worry. And then there's this one that we're gonna have to fill. It's funny because I moved like 4 times now. This is my 4th apartment, and I feel like I'm a pro at this because there are so many holes that I have to fill every time we move. It's insane. All of the holes are filled. We're gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna sand it down and then paint. So yeah, see you guys in like an hour, maybe a little bit less. And now we're gonna paint. Whenever I hang things up, I tend to spend like an hour or two at least to make sure that it's gonna be perfect. So I went ahead and hung them up already. That's why you can see a lot of push pins up there and my 3 claw hanger, the claw picture hanger. Let's put them back up. It's a lot more minimal this time, but I think I like it a lot. My friend Cameron made me all of these crochet tapestries, so I'm probably gonna ask her to make me a few more to fill out the space, but for now, I really like this minimal look. Yeah, I like it. Now we have all of these old frames I'm gonna be working on. I'm probably gonna put them up in my kitchen. I'll show it to you later, but yeah, let's go ahead and do that. This is the final result for the kitchen. Unfortunately, I ran out of things to hang up, so it's a little empty over there, but I'm probably gonna find something to hang it up. I might use that art painting. It's from the Poster Club, but I might want to keep it here actually just because it's like book theme and the other one is like pair theme. So I might just try to find something and replace it there. But yeah, this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to give me a subscribe. And if you have any question at all where I got the prints from or any of the decor in my apartment, don't hesitate to comment down below. I checked every comment. But yeah, I'm really trying to grow a community on YouTube because I'm planning to do this full-time. Hopefully, right now I'm just making a lot of like Reels video because I'm more focusing on those social media. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Bye. Oh. Bye bye.